Hello, class 8. This is the continuation of your chapter number 20, that is direct and indirect speech. We have completed till exercise E, and till here we have seen all the types of sentences and how to convert them from direct to indirect. This is what we have seen till here. The last part that we have to do today is this conversion of mixed type of sentences. See, this part is not important for exam point of view. This is just to see that what all you have understood in all the previous exercises. Alright, students, and this exercise don't write it in your copies, but do it somewhere. Now, what is there in conversion of mixed type of sentences? The direct speech in a passage may consist of statement plus command, or statement plus question, or statement plus request, or question plus command. So these are the direct speech in mixed form that we can have, and we have to change them into indirect speech. So when a passage consists mixed type of sentences, the following changes are made. See how we have to change them. We do not change the order of ideas or the language of the original passage. Means we are not going to change the order. Whatever is written first, we will change that first, and we'll move after whatever is given after that. Then second is each sentence is changed according to the rules for that kind of sentence. See, whatever we have studied, like how to change imperative sentence or how to change interrogative, whatever we have studied previously, according to that we have to change different kinds of sentences that is applied. Alright, then third is the reporting verb is changed according to the rules for the sentence, but it is not essential to introduce every sentence with words like he or she said. Again, it is same thing written here that we have to change whatever we are supposed to change reporting verb. Accordingly, we will change like that. And it is not essential, it is not necessary to introduce he said, she said after every sentence. We will adjust according to the sentence. Don't get confused, just see the examples, you'll get to know. First example is he said, are you tired today? Let us take the children to the zoo. Tomorrow is a holiday, so we will be relaxed. So you can see this example consists of three kinds of sentences. First part is that is are you tired today? It's your interrogative sentence. Then let us take the children to the zoo. It's an imperative sentence. Tomorrow is a holiday, so we will be relaxed. It's a statement, or you can say assertive sentence. Now we will follow the rules explained earlier and rewrite the passage in indirect form. See how it is framed. He asked if I was tired that day. Today becomes that day. I hope you remember. Then he suggested, it's a suggestion. He suggested that we take the children to the zoo. As the next day was a holiday, so we would be relaxed. So in this way, these sentences are changed. See, we haven't changed the order. First it was interrogative, so we have changed first the interrogative into indirect. Then it was imperative given, according to that we have changed, and then last part was assertive, so we haven't changed the order. And then we have applied individually whatever is the rule for that kind of sentence, we have applied that. I hope this is clear. Now see this example 2. She said it's very hot today, isn't it? So summer is here to stay and it is the right time to get for a swim. Let's also buy mangoes, ice cream and juice cans to beat the heat. This is your direct sentence. See how it is changed. She said that it was very hot that day. Then and summer was there to stay. It was the right time to go for a swim, she added. She also suggested that we should buy mangoes, ice cream, and juice cans to beat the heat. So, in this way, this is changed into indirect form. Example 3. My friend said, oh, What a pleasant surprise to have you in my house. I will prepare pasta and risotto for you. Let's watch a movie in my home theater. Now see how it has changed. My friend exclaimed. It's an exclamatory mark. Exclamatory sentence. My friend exclaimed with joy that it was a pleasant surprise to have me in her house. Okay, or we can say in his house, whatever. She said that she would prepare pasta and risotto for me and suggested, it's a suggestion, that we should watch a movie in her home theater. Now, see example 4. Mother Teresa said, let us touch the dying, the poor, the lonely, and the unwanted according to the graces we have received, and let us not be ashamed or slow to do the humble work. Now, see how it has changed. Mother Teresa said that we should touch the dying, the poor, the lonely, and the unwanted according to the graces that we had received, and we should not be ashamed or slow to do the humble work. So, in this way, this is changed into indirect form. Now, see this example 5. It is in conversation form. Daughter, Papa, please buy a mobile phone for me. Father, what is the need of a mobile when you can use the landline? Daughter, my all friends have mobiles. I want one for myself. Father, I will buy it for you after your final exams. Now see, the daughter requested to her father to buy a mobile phone for her. Father asked her what was the need of a mobile when she could use the landline. The daughter replied that all her friends had mobiles. She wanted one for herself. Father agreed and said that he would buy it, but buy it for her after her final exams. This buy, just change it. It is buy. It's not only buy. Or it just correct that. Now, whatever we have just studied, these examples, according to that, we had to change this exercise F. It's a bit lengthy one, but it's easy. Okay, just hear me properly and write it somewhere. I'm not saying write it in your grammar copies, but please write it down. It's important. Otherwise, you won't know how to convert them when it is a mixed kind of sentence. Now see this exercise F. Now read the following text and rewrite them in reported speech. First is Martin Luther King said, I have a dream that one day on the red hills of Georgia, the sons of former slaves and the son of former slave owners will be able to sit together at the table of brotherhood. What will be the answer? Martin Luther King said that he had a dream that one day on the red hills of Georgia, the sons of former slaves and the sons of former slave owners would be able to sit together at the table of brotherhood. Not much things have been changed, it's just have and had things is changed in this particular sentence. Next is Mother Teresa said, one day I was walking down the streets of London and I saw a man quite drunk. He looked sad and miserable. I went straight up to him, held his hand. He said, oh, after so long I feel the warmth of a human hand. And then his face lit up. I only want to say that small things done in great love bring joy and peace. Now see how it has changed. Mother Teresa said that one day she had been walking down the streets of London and she had seen a man quite drunk. He had looked sad and miserable. She had gone right up to him and had held his hand. He exclaimed with surprise that after so long he had felt the warmth of a human hand, and then his face lit up. She only wanted to say that small things done in great love bring joy and peace. Then third one, after some time, Birbal walked up to one of the kings and greeted him. The king said, oh, How did you recognize the real king? Birbal said, after I observed the other three kings, I found them watching you very closely and trying to imitate your actions and manners. But when I looked at you, I could see a calm and relaxed demeanor that indicated the true statue of a king. The king was pleased and rewarded him. Now, see how it has changed. After some time, Birbal walked up to one of the kings and greeted him. The king was surprised and asked Birbal how he had recognized the real king. Birbal replied that after he had observed the other three kings, he found them watching him very closely and trying to imitate his actions and manners. But when he had looked at him, he could see a calm and relaxed demeanor that indicated the true statue of a king. The king was pleased and rewarded him. Alright, so this is how we done the third one. Fourth one is exactly like what we have seen in example 5 above, that Neha, I will be late from school today. Mother, do you have an extra class? Neha, no, our PD teacher organized games for us. Mother, try to be back as early as possible. Neha, yes, mother. So how it will be changed, that Neha told her mother that she would be late from school that day. Mother asked, did you had an extra class? Then Neha replied, no, her PET teacher had organized games for them. Mother said, try to be back as early as possible. Neha said, yes, mother. Alright, so this finishes our this chapter. As I told you, the last part, that this mixed part is not important for exam point of view, but you should do this chapter, do this part. Otherwise, of course, whenever there is a mixed sort of sentence, you won't be able to frame it well. So again, I'm telling you, do each and every exercises properly, read each and every line. This chapter is very important, and I think our course is also finished now. If I have to see if there's something left, I'll continue with that. Otherwise, we'll start with your revision videos. All right, students, please study well, and we'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye and take care.